everyone and welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for some really good skincare, hair care and health related content. Today I'll be doing a review plus a demo video of these Garnier sheet masks. So this brand of Garnier, we all are familiar with this brand, and this brand comes with sheet masks of 4 variants and I have 3 of them. So the first one which I have is this yellow one, which is light complete. The second one I have is a pink one, which is Sakura white, and the third one which I have is the green one, which is Hydra Bomb. It is already open because I am shooting this video after doing the demo. I'll be talking about the properties, whether it really works, what was my experience with these sheet masks, plus the demo. So watch the video till the end. All of these sheet masks come for ₹99, which I feel is pretty affordable if you compare it with other brands. But recently I came across a sheet mask which comes at a much lower price than this one. So I will be soon reviewing about those sheet masks. So make sure that you have subscribed to the channel so that you do not miss on any video. So firstly I'll be talking about this yellow one, which is Light Complete. So this contains vitamin C and milky essence. If your skin has lots of dark spots and blemishes, then definitely you must go for this sheet mask, because vitamin C is known for its natural bleaching property. It helps in removal of dark spots and blemishes, and it smoothens out the skin so your skin feels more glowy. The second one is this pink one, which is Sakura white. It contains Sakura white. Now what is this Sakura? Sakura is a kind of flower which has anti-aging and whitening properties. It smoothens out your skin and it makes your skin more glowing. So if your skin has become dull due to pollution, etc., so this would be the right choice for you. Third one is this green one, which is Hydra Bomb. It contains green tea, and green tea is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. So if your skin is prone to acne, pimples, breakouts, then give this a try, because it helps to reduce sebum secretion, which leads to pimples and breakouts. All these sheet masks contains hyaluronic acid. Now what is this hyaluronic acid and how does it makes our skin happy? So the answer to this is hyaluronic acid is naturally produced by our body and it is found in our tissues. It helps to retain the moisture and it keeps our skin hydrated. So the best thing I liked about these sheet masks is its hydrating properties. It's so hydrating because of hyaluronic acid that your skin will become supple, soft, glowy. It contains enough hyaluronic acid to keep your skin hydrated for an entire week. Let's jump into the demo video, and after that I'll be talking about my experience. Blue side needs to be facing outwards, and I recommend you to lie down while putting on these sheet masks, because in that way skin will absorb its maximum goodness. Talking about my experience with these sheet masks, I have been using these sheet masks from past 2 years and they have never ever disappointed me. The best part about these sheet masks is its hydrating property. It's super hydrating, and when your skin is hydrated, automatically it will have that elasticity. Whenever I'm in a rush, I have to go to a party or somewhere, it just takes 15 minutes and I get that instant brightening and glowing hydrated skin. So I would definitely recommend these sheet masks to you. You can choose the perfect sheet according to your skin, or you can give all of them a try, because all of them are really very good. If I talk about its availability, then it's very easily available in any local market. However, I will put down the buying links in the description box, so do check them out. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to it, because there are lots more coming up for you all. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye.